Ever pondered why the Arctic, the vast icy wilderness at the top of our world, is heating up twice as rapidly as the rest of our planet? This chilling fact is not just an isolated event happening in a remote corner of the globe. It's a stark warning, a clear indication of an escalating environmental crisis that requires our immediate attention. The Arctic, a seemingly distant and detached part of our world, is in reality deeply intertwined with the global climate system. It serves as our planet's air conditioner, reflecting sunlight back into space, thus keeping the Earth cool. Its ice, glacial and majestic, is a haven for a plethora of unique wildlife, from the iconic polar bear to the elusive narwhal. And for the indigenous people of the Arctic, the ice is not just a part of the landscape, but a crucial part of their culture and livelihoods. However, this icy paradise is now in peril. As global temperatures rise, the Arctic is feeling the heat twice as much. The active layer, the topmost stratum of soil that thaws each summer, is deepening. As it deepens, it boosts biological activity, which in turn releases more carbon into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the warming effect. But all is not lost. There are actions we can take to mitigate this crisis. Reducing our carbon footprint is a crucial first step. This can be achieved by embracing cleaner energy sources, reducing waste, and promoting sustainable practices. It's also essential to support policies and organizations that are working to combat climate change. Another crucial action is to halt deforestation and promote reforestation. Forests are vital carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. By protecting and restoring forests, we can help slow the warming of the Arctic and the planet at large. The process of Arctic melting, known as Arctic amplification, can be mitigated, but it requires the collective effort of all of us. Every small action, every conscious decision, and every voice raised in favor of climate action can make a difference. So as we stand on the precipice of an environmental crisis, the question is not whether we can afford to take action, but rather, can we afford not to? The fate of the Arctic, and by extension our planet, lies in our hands. It's high time we rise to the challenge and take decisive action to safeguard our world for future generations. Remember, the Arctic is not just a distant icy wilderness. It's a vital part of our world, and its fate is intrinsically tied to ours. The call to action is clear. Start by making conscious decisions in your daily life. Support sustainable practices and policies. Raise your voice in favor of climate action. Together, we can turn the tide and ensure a safe and healthy planet for all.